Beneath the unrelenting glare of the African sun, an animal of immense power rests. The hippopotamus, a 2-ton behemoth spending its days half submerged in water or basking on exposed riverbanks. Its skin appears bare, sensitive, and profoundly vulnerable to the scorching ultraviolet radiation. Yet, the hippo never gets sunburned. It possesses a secret defense, a biological superpower that is as bizarre as it is brilliant. As the temperature climbs, its skin begins to ooze a thick, glistening, reddish fluid. For centuries, this strange phenomenon was graphically known as blood sweat. But this substance is not what it seems. It is something far more sophisticated, a living shield forged by evolution to conquer a world of brutal extremes. Let's be clear from the start, this secretion is neither blood nor is it sweat. In fact, hippos lack the sweat glands that most mammals use to cool down. This unique, gel-like fluid is produced by a network of specialized subdermal glands, an ability found nowhere else in the animal kingdom. When it first emerges, the secretion is colorless and watery. But within minutes of exposure to sunlight, a chemical reaction begins. The fluid thickens and changes color, shifting from a startling red to a deep, protective brown. This transformation is the key to its power. The hippo is not bleeding. It is manufacturing and applying a personalized high-performance skin protectant, a secretion shield that is perfectly tailored to its unique semi-aquatic life. The primary function of this shield is to act as the perfect sunscreen. At the heart of the fluid are 2 highly unstable and remarkable pigments, one red and one orange. They are named hipposudoric acid and norhipposudoric acid. These compounds are the active ingredients in the hippo's natural sunblock, and they are incredibly effective. They work by absorbing a huge range of light, including the sun's most damaging wavelengths, both UVA and UVB radiation. But the genius of this design doesn't stop there. As the pigments are exposed to the sun, they begin to link together, forming long, complex chains in a process called polymerization. This chemical reaction is what transforms the watery liquid into a thick, sticky, and incredibly durable layer. This polymer lacquer is water-resistant, meaning the hippo's sun protection doesn't just wash off the moment it slips back into the river. It is a smart sunscreen that hardens into a resilient coating, providing hours of reliable protection. However, the sun is not the only threat a hippo faces. These animals are fiercely territorial and notoriously aggressive. Fights between males are frequent and violent, with combatants using their enormous tusk-like canine teeth to inflict deep, gaping wounds. In the warm, bacteria-filled waters and mud of their environment, any open wound is a dangerous invitation for a lethal infection. This is where the secretion shield reveals its second astonishing superpower. The very same 2 pigments that block ultraviolet light are also potent antibiotics. Scientific analysis has shown that hipposudoric acid and norhipposudoric acid strongly inhibit the growth of several dangerous pathogenic bacteria. In essence, the hippo is constantly bathing its own wounds in a powerful antiseptic. It is a living first aid kit, an antibiotic ointment that is automatically applied across its entire body, ensuring that even the most severe injuries can heal cleanly without succumbing to infection. This single, extraordinary fluid is the keystone adaptation that makes the hippo's entire way of life possible. Its semi-aquatic existence is a delicate balance. It needs the water to regulate its body temperature and support its colossal weight, but it must come onto land to graze. Its sensitive skin is not truly designed for either world. It can dry out and crack in the sun, and it can become infected in the water. The secretion shield is the elegant, evolutionary solution that bridges this gap. It is a moisturizer that prevents dehydration, a broad-spectrum sunscreen that stops radiation damage, and a powerful antibiotic that prevents infection. It is a testament to nature's incredible ingenuity, a single, bizarre substance that provides a multi-layered defense against every major challenge of the hippo's harsh environment. To continue exploring the marvels of the natural world, subscribe to Animal Insight 360 and join us on the next journey.